Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, that is Education with Aditi. Today I made an interesting video on how to make paper pen stand. For this we will need some pens, pencil and sketch pens, round constructors, a scissor, eraser, and here I have cut the pieces of sparkle sheet circle. So you need to take these. Then I have taken glue, two glasses which are not used. Here in one I am having one I am having button. In this I am having threads, and this is A4 size sheet. So what we are going to do is that now we are going to take the A4 size sheet here and take one glass, put it as meeting of the edge.
नहीं दिखा
You need to do it like this so that it will. So hold the glass. So what I am going to do is that now it means that it is a half of a paper, so keep a half aside. Now take the paper, keep it in the center, that if it is able to cover the whole glass, is able to cover the whole. Now we have done the covering of our glass. Now keep the glass aside. Take any type of sheet, and now we are going to make a line structure. So we need yellow sheet to be used. So what we are going to do is that now take a pencil, make the face or a body of the body will look like this. Now what we are going to do is that these are the ears. Now we are going to cut the structure with paper. I do not want to waste this whole paper, so I am marking the line. It can be used in another work of mine. So you can also do like this. don't make this get soda. Keep this also aside. Now we have to take any color sheet and mark the markings. So now we have made the lines. Now we are going to cut. Now we have cut two parts of it. Now keep one part aside, and now we are going to cover it like this. Now we are going to cut which paper we have cut. Now we are going to paste. After pasting, the glass will look like this. I have taken already a cutting of this. Now I am going to paste on it. So here we are going to paste our paper. As you can see that our line painted is ready. Thank you. If you like my video, please like, share, subscribe to my channel.